guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is my video about a DIY screening wall built on the deck or off the deck. So I will show you how we did this, and as you see it's actually 12 foot from here. So we are building the wall here on this side, because from this side it's very close to neighbors. So I will show you step by step how we did it. They are bringing up the stuff here. So we need cement to dig a hole. I think three holes will be dug here, and then doing the posting because it will be going down there. So now we are having all the material on site. First we put all the material here, and then start. Today is a really beautiful day for doing the projects. Usually we have very cold, even cold summer, cold spring. So today is very nice day. So let's start. Let's start measuring for holes. Now digging holes for post. We are digging 3 holes, 6 feet apart. So holes are almost 2.5 feet deep, and then now we are starting to fill it up. That's how we finished yesterday. Today is the second day. So just built. As you see, 3 inch away from our deck. Actually, we are building down there, and it's 70 inches high, and 12 feet is the depth. And use the 4x4 in this one for the post, and for the frame we use 2x4 for the strong frame, and then so we actually did the pressure treated frame and pressure treated post, but we did the cedar boards because it smells really good, and it's very long lasting out for the outside. So let's see how it turns out. Hopefully we will complete it today. Looks like this from outside. I'm so excited. I think it will look so good when it's finished. So that's how we completed this, and we just completed actually last night this part. Can you believe it? It looks so beautiful, and it's actually no screws in this one. It's just a bend, and that's it. So it's very beautiful. It turns out actually very beautiful. So I'm going to show you when the whole part done. In my privacy wall, it looks so beautiful. Cutting the frame for bottom rail. Use wood to hammer, otherwise you will damage the wood. so use little bit barrier between wood and hammer. That's how you put your bottom rail, and now we will put the center one. Now we are adding side rails for frame. Doing pallets holes for screws. Every foot or as you want. So we cut all the pieces. It's actually 6 by 1 piece, so we cut it all the pieces into 2 pieces. So basically from 1 piece we are making 2 pieces. If you can find 1 by 3 in your local store, it's good, but I think this way it's more cheaper. So we cut all the slats, and now we will put into our next panel and use 2 by 2 for inner frame. It was 2 by 4, so we cut it in half and use both sides in the middle. Yeah, so because the one part goes here and one goes here. Now we are cutting the board to the length to fit in. One front, one back. Like this. And that's how we are building our privacy wall. The frame took longer time. When you done the frame, it doesn't take that long. Finishing the frame is almost done.